Good morning, everyone. I really like it when all the kitties are waiting right there for me. Good morning. Dawn gets up and lets Marty and Stripe out, so I haven't really seen them yet either. Hi. Hello. Morris, you gonna come up, bud? Morris, you gonna come up? Good boy. Good boy. Hi. Good morning. Good morning. Hi, boys. It feels like a sauna out here. Any cool, fresh air one might hope to find is back in the house. I just wanted you to see that Marty did hop up to eat with Morris, and I saw him eat some of the canned food, and now he's eating the dry food. You can always tell Marty's been at the bowl if the food is all over the floor or the platform here. He doesn't do it on purpose. I just come back and pick it up and put it back in the bowl when he's done. His appetite is fine. I haven't had a chance to look at the camera footage from overnight yet, so I don't know about deer in the yard. I'm sure they were. Dawn went over and filled the corn up this morning. I see one of my canna lilies down there is getting ready to open its first red blossom of the year. Hey, Stripey! Probably not going to see any rain today. Tomorrow's a little higher chance. Sunday's a pretty good chance. We need more rain again, so the sooner it rains, the better. And the more of it. I love summer. Not. I need a swimming pool to go jump in. That's what I really need. I'm out here doing watering stuff by hand, and cats stuff and a few fountains and a few other things. It's amazing the number of birds in the side yard fountain. Enough at one time that they've set off the motion alert. Pretty cool. I just blew the boardwalk, the driveway, then the front porch. I was going to go down the parking pad, which usually means I keep on going, even though I tell myself I'm not. But there was a deer eating corn, and it must be that one that's really brave and doesn't care about humans. And so she wasn't moving, and since I want her over there and not over here, I walked back toward the house. Well, it's gotten to be a little late in the day. It's 4:30 and we're headed to the gym. I did get yesterday's video edited, and Don doesn't have to go back to work today, although he does need to work a bit tomorrow morning again. Running jobs when nothing else is running on the system, so they don't go over their MIPS or CPU. MSUs, okay. Let's see what else. After doing that stuff out in the yard, I had to go in the house and recover a bit. That was kind of intense. I saw Kyle was putting his Starlink dishes on the roof of the house and the roof of the barn today. Hopefully, number one, he did it earlier than later, and number two, it didn't take very long up there on the ladder to get her done, because like I said on my comment on X, it's stinking hot here today. And I did read that 2 of the engines failed to start, and so that's what caused the scrub. And you know, they're gonna go ahead, even though I guess they don't think anything was necessarily wrong with the engines, they're gonna replace the 2 Raptor engines anyway, and it's looking like maybe Monday for Starship again. So that's, you know, all is good as long as everybody's fine, and I'm glad it didn't blow up and hurt the launch pad and all that, you know, delay it. This is a reasonable, this kind of stuff happens all the time for, not usually to SpaceX, but happens all the time. So anyway, nothing ventured, nothing gained. The GOES 19 weather satellite is back up. That had gone down, which is, geez, We can't even get in our turn. But FSD, watch out for the pickup truck, though, because he's going to fly through there because he was, you know, had to wait. FSD did great in handling that mess.
Pretty much. There wasn't a whole lot you could do about that.
Nope. FSD did good. We're going to play my Pokemon and then we'll go inside and get her done. So, last night when I stopped, there were really only 3 steps left. A tree and just a couple other little details. So, no big deal, right? So I've started on PDF number 2, which is floor number 2, and I'm working on the floor here now. I need some more 1x2 tan tiles. I used all the ones they have, and I need more. Uh-oh, there's a deer.